Hi, it's Craig from Yesway here again, relaxing on my sofa. Just been out for a walk. Right, what should we talk about? Generating electricity. So, in simple terms, to generate electricity, you need a coil of wire and you need a magnet. And if you rotate the magnet within the coil of wire, it will generate an electromagnetic field, which basically generates electricity. That is the basis of how generators work, marine generators and generators and power stations. So a magnetic field rotating within a coil of wire, generating electricity. Now, obviously, generators are a bit more sophisticated than that. You want, for instance, a marine generator. You want to generate more electricity. You want to increase the strength of the magnetic field. So what you can do, or what's done, is they basically have electromagnets which rotate within the coil of wire. The coil of wire being called the stator, which is around the outside, and the magnetic field, the poles. And the poles are basically like electromagnets. Electricity supplied to them. They generate a magnetic field, and that then is turned round because the poles are attached to the rotor, which rotates within the stator. So that's basically how a marine generator works. The poles, like I said, are electromagnets. They are fed electricity by attached to the same drive shaft as the main generator, a thing called an exciter. Now, the exciter's job is to produce electricity. It's like a mini generator. It produces alternating current, which then goes through what's known as a diode plate on the exciter, which converts it using diodes, cuts off half the waveform, produces DC, and that DC is then fed into the poles of the generator. So, just to recap, you want to generate electricity, simplest way, get a magnet or magnetic field and rotate it within a coil. That's basically how a generator works. It's Craig from Yesway here, Yesway Limited. Yesway Communications is our radio division. Call us what you want, really. You can call me Craig because of the name. So thanks for listening, and any questions, just ask. Thank you.